Hey boys and girls, welcome back to Mathematics Grade 4. And today's lesson is nice, sweet and short, and it's about tessellations. Now, everything we do in mathematics got to do with the world around you. And maybe someday you're a building contractor or you buy a house and you want to redo your house, your tiling and stuff. And that's why it's important to know these things. So it's got to do with 2D shapes and your polygons. So what is tessellations? It is created when a shape is repeated. So when I do something over and over and over, but I'm using shapes to cover an area with any gaps or overlaps. Now think about a house or the shopping center, and you're walking in the shopping center and they tiled the floor, but now the shapes didn't fit into each other and now there's gaps. And as a child, sometimes you walk bare feet and now you walk onto those gaps and your feet get hurt. So that's why it's very important to know what is tessellations and how does it work. Another word for tessellation is tiling, because remember I'm using shapes and I'm covering an area. Tiling patterns formed of shapes with no gaps in between. So we get regular tessellations, and that is where we use regular polygons. All the sides are equal to each other and all the angles are equal to each other. And then we get irregular polygons, and that's where we use shapes, 2D shapes, where the polygons do not have the same length in the sides or the angles are equal to each other. So now I just want to show you some tessellations where they use regular polygons. So this is where they tiled or they laid down an area with, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So it's hexagons. So they used hexagons, regular polygons, to tile an area or to lay out the area with no gaps. Here they use triangles, and you can see all the triangles are the length are the same in the sides and the angles are equal to each other. So this is your regular tessellations. But boys and girls, you can also use irregular polygons to build a tessellation. Does not have to be a regular polygon, and let me show you. Here they use, in the first picture, they use arrows. And you know, arrow, all the sides are not equal to each other and the angles are not going to be equal to each other. So you can use irregular polygons to build a tessellation. So you don't have to go and measure tiles and measure pictures to see all the sides equal, all the angles equal, because then I can build a tessellation. You are allowed to use irregular tessellations. So if you're a builder one day or you are going to redo the house, enjoy, think of this lesson and be careful not to have any gaps. Goodbye, boys and girls.